Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have this beautiful pride inspired rainbow look. So if you'd like to see how I achieved today's look, then keep on watching. Jumping right into the eyes, I've really been inspired by these half cut creases with a little swoop at the end. Once again, I do not know the proper name for it, but it's like I'm gonna call it a little swoop at the end, cut crease with a little swoop. So I'm priming my eyes with this concealer from LA Girl in Fairest. Sorry about that facial expression. Somebody was shooting fireworks. Like, it's still June. But anyways, I had several looks for today's tutorial. I wanted to do a rainbow look, and then I thought about doing just a wing liner full of bright colors, and I wanted to do a tie-dye look, but then I was like, let me stick to this little trend that I've been seeing a lot and just put the rainbow on that. So that's that. So the first color I'm taking is red, and I went in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from Beige Cosmetics. I'm just packing the colors on, building them up so they can be bright, because this is a rainbow. Rainbows are bright. Then I went in with my Afrique palette from Juvia's Place, and I used the orange that was in the palette. It wasn't as bright as I wanted it to, so I did use the orange in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette just to make it a little bit brighter, but then I kept on going back and forth in between the two so it can be pigmented. The word for today is pigmented. And here is where I went in with the orange from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You see how much brighter that is from the other orange that I used? That's how bright I want all my colors to look today. Then I went in with this beautiful yellow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and just like the orange, I went back into the Juvia's Place palette to use that yellow so it can be super bright and popping. So yeah, like I said, it's all about pigmentation today. after I go in with a new color, I always make sure that I blend the previous color into the new color so everything can be seamless. Then I went in with a green. I actually started it off with the green that's in the Juvia's Place palette, and then I mixed it with another green that's in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, so once again it can be bright as I like it. Then going in with this blue from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is a very pretty blue. I actually love this shade. Honestly, it went so well with the green next to it. It wasn't too bright and it wasn't too dark, so perfect color. Then finally I went in with the purple from the Brazil palette once again, and there was actually two purples in the palette. This one was at the top to the right, and then there was another one 2 rows below it, but the one below it was a little too dark for my liking, and I think it would make the look a little muddy, so I went in with this one, and it was an okay purple. I wish it was easier to blend out into that blue. That's the only con about the purple. Now the camera didn't pick this up, but the orange started to separate on the lid, and I don't know if it was because I used two different oranges. One was darker and then one was brighter, but it gave me a little hiccup in the row, but I just packed some more orange on top to make it even brighter and then blended it out with that red. Then I took a makeup wipe to make the edges sharper and to give it a more defined swoop at the top and the bottom. This is what I have so far. Now this is cute, but I wanted to turn it up a little bit. So I grabbed some glitters that I had from NYX, and I just put the glitter glue on top to outline the rainbow, and then I went in with some glitter to put on top. see how that glitter just made it more spicy? So we're going to skip the other eye and we're going to go right into the face. And I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I didn't do anything new with how I put my face on, so we're just gonna let this section roll through, and then I'm gonna come back when we get to the rest of the face. blush, I went in with my Super Shock Cheek Satin Blush from ColourPop in the shade Quarters. And then I took my glow kit from ABH and I used the shade Helia, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's this green looking highlighter shade and it is super duper popping. Let's take a moment out for how beautiful this look is coming together. Like 10 out of 10 would recommend. And here we have our finished look. 10 out of 10 with what? Definitely recommend. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you are new, welcome. My name is Amir. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm all things beauty and fashion related here on YouTube. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I get to see you guys in the next one. Bye.